Hey guys, welcome back to the channel VOGUENYOG. Today I am going to show you how to make easy and cheap DIY candles at home which will make your lockdown Diwali more creative and your house more beautiful. So let's get started. For first DIY we will use some bangles and Fevicol. You can take any bangle from your closet. This DIY will take only 5 to 10 minutes of yours. Take a bangle and start applying Fevicol on the top. Then take another bangle and place it over it. Do the same with 5 to 7 bangles according to the height you want.
Die out too hard. We were traveling mountains just to find the loudest tears. We sat down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this side.
Place a diya in between, then your diya holder is ready.
Don't ever want to leave. I'm in a tropic club.
Second DIY, we will use some used candles and make new candle. Firstly, we will break candles into small pieces and put it in a bowl and heat it in microwave for 10 to 15 minutes. The wax will get melted, then put it in a glass. Repeat this step till it fills the glass properly. You will see a new candle to decorate your house. Third DIY, we will be using a waste CD and some mirrors to make a creative Diya holder.
Worries die out too hard. We were traveling mountains just to find the light.
Place the Diya in between. Then paste the mirrors step by step as shown.
Could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been living,
Make sure to give proper space in between.
knowing there's nowhere to go.
Then make a circular layer like this and start with second layer by placing the pointed end of mirror between the two mirror of first layer. Keep doing this until the full CD is covered. This will give a flower shaped look. This will hardly take 10 to 15 minutes and your decorative Diya holder is ready.
I'm in a tropic club.
For fourth DIY, we will take a glass and add 1 to 2 spoon of dry sparkle in it. Dry sparkle is easily available in stationery shops and it just costs ₹10. After that, fill 3/4 glass with water.
We sat down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet.
teaspoon of oil in it.
I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
Here is your glittery candle ready. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.